Okay, this may be the strangest ending to a video that I've ever done because the camera that I've been shooting videos with all day is the one that I wanted to show you. So I'm now on my GoPro 11 mini, which is cool. All right, so here in my hands is a really cool new piece from SmallRig. This is not sponsored in any way. I bought this for myself. I wanted to build a new vlogging rig for myself. I have a whole bunch of stuff that I've worked out in the past, but I thought I'd start fresh and see what we can come up with. And so this looked like a great thing. Let me open it up. Let's take a look and see what it's like, and I'll tell you about some of its features, why I particularly chose this. Okay, so a couple things. I regularly am shooting in 5K 60 frames a second, so obviously overheating turns into a problem, especially on my older 10, and I like that this is aluminum construction, so in essence it works like a big old heat sink to help keep the camera cool. I guess the real question is, does it really work to keep the camera cool, and how good is it for vlogging? So the only way we're gonna know is we're gonna have to test it out, right? So here it is. This is what the rig itself looks like. A couple features that are really cool about it. It has a cold shoe at the top, cold shoe on the side. It has a hinged door on the side so that you can change your battery out, and it has a nice little like foam mounting so it keeps your battery secure, and this pops in nice and secure. It also has two 1/4-20 attachments there, another 1/4-20 at the top, two more on the side, so you could attach it in a whole bunch of different ways. It has 1/4-20 on the bottom and magnetic built-in GoPro mount, so you're all set to go. I think this is fabulous. There's only one thing to do. Let's test it out. Okay, this may be the strangest ending to a video that I've ever done because the camera that I've been shooting videos with all day is the one that I wanted to show you. So I'm now on my GoPro 11 mini, which is cool. But I wanted to show you this. This is how I have the rig set up now. As I was talking, the SmallRig is here. I have the extension on for the microphone, and I have to say this is a 10 and definitely prone to overheating. I have literally been shooting on this all day in 4K 60 frames, and you can feel this thing is hot, physically hot, but that's how it works as a heat sink. It takes the heat out of the camera and puts it through this aluminum frame, and that keeps it from overheating. So overall, this is definitely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. And check out how nice and clean this is. This thing is so cool and easy to work with. I am super duper double thrilled with this. Super easy to change the battery, all that kind of stuff. I would show you, except my video would die. In any case, I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.